Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today's video is about natural dyeing. I'm going to dye a t-shirt with onion skins. Wash it with cold water to remove dirt. Boil it for 1 to 2 hours in low flame. Strain it with the help of strainer. If the fabric is new, the fabric should be washed before dyeing. This is shibori form of tying the fabric to get different patterns. Add some salt. Salt acts as mordant. To know more about mordants, please check the description below. I'll not be dipping my whole t-shirt at one time. Let it stay overnight. Remove the rubber bands and now you can see the results. Wash it with cold water to remove the excess stain. I just had fun tie-dyeing. The results are lovely. I just love the color.